Okay, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video on the gaming with how was it again? MGB channel. So today we're going to be trying to make a doorbell. Always wanted how to make one. I'm going to be trying it. So let's see. So first we got to kind of dig underground. See, I'm not going to actually build a whole house and use it on a house. I'm just going to do a demonstration. Right. So you want to dig at least 2 blocks down. Then you're going to want to do this. Get this block, and you're going to want to, on here, just put a button, oak button, or whatever button you want. Then you're going to just get these blocks here. Is it still going to work? No, wrong one. Never mind. There we go. There we go, okay. Right, don't want to dig 2 blocks down, never mind. Oh, never mind, you still do. Okay, and next you want to get these things ready. Music box goes there. Redstone repeater there. Wait a minute. Does it work? Nope, right. Done something wrong. See, I didn't say I'm gonna make it properly, so I'm gonna try. So no one can come after me saying, "Oh, you done it all wrong." I never said I'm gonna do it all right. I'm gonna try. Oh, okay. Alright, there you have it. As you can see. I don't know what's the point of that one. I think I've done something wrong, but yeah. What if I remove this sun? Okay, I know I said I'm going to do a doorbell, but what if I'll do this way? Lever. Let's try this. Okay, I'm going to try. Okay, there's no difference. Anyway, so yeah, that's the doorbell, I guess. Thank you for watching, and if you have any other suggestions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Bye.